Welcome back, guys. Actually, I have just had a text message from my boss that I need to use my semi. Or if you didn't know, I do own a massive big truck. It's here, and we have to go pick up a monster truck. Yep, you heard me right, a monster truck. They said it broke down, so they just had to sort of like abandon it at the location they were using. What on earth? Oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, so the monster truck broke down necessarily. They couldn't drive it back to the location because, of course, it needed to be on the road. So we're gonna see if we can sort of rescue this monster truck. So I've been given a gooseneck trailer and help a little bit more if that's here. What's this person doing? Honestly, what is he doing? Alright, I got my gooseneck. It's you, mate. Oh my. Sorry about that. Robots from idiot drivers. Pulling out successfully. Oh, as well, guys, I have Rocket League. Does anyone want to have some Rocket League gameplay as well? I'm not the best at it, but of course I can play pretty well if you want to see that. Oh, and here is the turn I got to take. Just make sure there's no oncoming traffic. I've got some bumps, but the gooseneck should be fine. I wanted to raise it, see if I could raise the suspension of the gooseneck, but don't know if that's going to work. Fine. Alright, oh, I've caught on something. Oh, there it is. That's a nice fucking monster truck. Oh my goodness. How am I going to do this? So if I reverse the trailer up there, I'll just have it there, to be honest. If I put my trailer there, put my truck to the side here. I've got the keys for the truck. Let me see if it'll fire up. Jump on the tire. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let me line it up. It'd be cool if they had a gravedigger monster truck. I love those things. Oh yeah, I actually went to see Monster Jam in the West Ham London Stadium. I think that was maybe 2 years ago now. It was really cool. The noise is so deafening, but it's so good for your ears, apparently. Now what do I do here? I'm going to reverse partially reverse out, drive the cab up here, and then reverse it down the alleyway. Well, when I hit that American flag. Oh no, my truck's stuck in a ditch. Oh no. See if I can angle it out. Ooh, wow. Let me see if there's anything I can do. Disconnect that, see if I can get it out, and then reconnect the trailer. Oh! Yep, got the trailer out. So now if I reconnect it, nope, another wrong solution. I might have to just drive the monster truck there and worry about my truck a different time. Probably want to raise the suspension of it and then maybe come back, you know. A bit muddy here. Yeah, I might do that actually. Go raise the suspension of the truck and then come back and see if I can get the trailer out. Is that a good idea? Or do I just smack into the trailer or something? I don't know actually, I might come back for it. I'm gonna come back for it once I've raised the suspension of the truck. When was it when they added lift kits? Was that the last update? Because we had... No. The last update was the rollback. Now we have the headache racks. I think it was the one before the rollback. If you remember that where they introduced the RAM as well. The TRX. Sorry. Why does the truck actually look really good with the mud on the front? All the doors are open. Like they're just... I go down to this. Aha, there we are. Don't do much difference, but do all it needs. Oh, 100% I've made a difference. What am I saying? Up this way. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm actually recording on a phone. So I've got like a phone stand. And my phone is just pointed at my gaming screen, my little monitor. Literally, that's how I do it. Look, why is this kid got such a big tree for such a little tractor? Come on, mate. Ain't got all day. Oh my days, bro. I got a car wash somehow. Cool. And then... Oh. That didn't happen, ignore that. That didn't happen. Oh my days! Sorry about that, guys. Try to make my videos as fun as possible for you to watch and not just boring. Oh my days, it's that little hole there that just gets my truck every time. Might have to just drive the monster truck back or something. Wait a minute, if I hook up to it. Wait. Oh wait, I moved it. Oh, I moved it for like 2. Go on, yes, we're out. We are out. Oh, no, yes, guys. Sorry about that. There we go. Yes, we are out. Okay, how about we go up here and then reverse? Up here, sound the horn. Should I have got an oversized load banner fitted before this journey? Tell me in the comments if I should have. Oh, excuse me, I got a bit of a cold recently, so that's not very nice. And guys, I got a new Xbox recently as well, which is nice. A brand new one. Well, not brand new, but it's an Xbox Series S. I got that so I can... Oh wow, yes, of course. My truck just goes in a ditch. Yeah, I've got a new Xbox. I got the Xbox S. I was taking this, I'm putting it out. Yeah, I've got that S just so I can play Forza Horizon 5. So credits to you guys who contributed. Forza Horizon 5. Yes, if anyone watching that has contributed to Forza Horizon 6, thank you so much. I hope the game is as amazing as it sounds. I'll make this delivery and then we can go home. I don't know what I'm going to do. Probably just respawn my truck or something where I am. Leave that trailer there for someone else to deal with. Not my problem. Always this farm here. yeah, that is good. So that was my delivery, guys. So feel free to like and subscribe as always, not begging, but see you in the next video.